Highway Code Rules for Cyclists. These rules are in addition to those in the following sections, which apply to all vehicles, except the motorway section on page 85. Cyclists are not allowed on motorways. See also page 118, you and your bicycle. Rule 59. Rules for cyclists. Clothing. You should wear a cycle helmet which conforms to current regulations, is the correct size and securely fastened. Appropriate clothing for cycling. Avoid clothes which may get tangled in the chain or in a wheel or may obscure your lights. Light coloured or fluorescent clothing which helps other road users to see you in daylight and poor light. Reflective clothing and or accessories, belt, arm or ankle bands in the dark to make you more visible to other road users. And there is a photograph here of a good example and a bad example, which relates to Rule 59. Help yourself to be seen.